Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Meet Tom and Becky. They own a portable hot tub and love their nightly soaks. They've always been meticulous about maintaining their water chemistry and keeping their spa in tip-top shape. But after a few months, they started to see changes. They noticed some black and brown flaking coming out of the jets. Their water was getting cloudy more often, and they detected a chlorine smell coming from their spa. Even draining the hot tub didn't seem to work. They knew something was wrong. What Tom and Becky didn't realize is those symptoms are likely the result of biocontaminants and other hidden organics that build up over time. They've done nothing wrong. It's a natural occurrence, common with any closed-loop vessel like a portable spa. The main reason lies in the operating temperature. Heating a spa between 98 and 104 degrees creates a wonderful and stress-free soak, but can create a breeding ground for bacteria. Chlorine, bromine, and other sanitizers can only do so much. Most hot tub sanitizers are formulated to balance and maintain water quality, not clean out the gunk lurking inside the interior plumbing system itself. After reading the reviews, Becky and Tom decided to clean their spa with Ouster hot tub to keep their spa water sparkling clean, silky soft, and odor-free. Ouster is a safe, effective, and non-acidic water care system that can minimize bio buildup while keeping their plumbing jets running at optimal performance for up to 12 weeks. Now, Tom and Becky can soak in confidence, knowing their hot tub is clean from the inside out.
Thanks for watching.